In this video, I'll be creating animations for my game character. Here is the character that I have designed for my game using Blender. I am also using Blender for creating animations for both main characters and NPC as well.
Okay.
I also used separate meshes for jackets and other clothes of the character for customization in the game. Using inverse kinematics on bones, make it really easy to animate a character, and it also make the animation looks lifelike. One more benefit of it is that it makes the keyframing process cleaner and animate other parts along with it. Using separate mesh allows to edit or replace each object without affecting the animations and player. Now let's animate the character. Since I'm using the old method of animating character, I will try to make it look smooth and realistic. For that I have to use more keyframe and some random movements that will not make it look static. Here I'm creating an animation of looking back. I'll just move few bones and the whole character will change its posture accordingly. Speeding up the process, one thing you will notice that I am adding keyframes with little bit of movements as well. This will give it more natural look. Here is the final look. I have also created some other animations for NPC and main player. Hope you have liked the video. Subscribe to this channel and join the journey of my new game development. Please like and share as well. Thank you.